In this video, we will show you how to assemble Cremone bolt extension rods from Baldwin. The extension rod guide assembly consists of two parts, the link and the guide. When the joint is assembled, the ears on the link engage the holes in the ends of the extension rod and top rod of the Cremone bolt, holding them together. The link rides in the slot on the guide. First, place the link in the slot on the guide, with one end halfway out of the slot. Place the extension rod on the link so that the ear on the link engages the hole in the rod end. If the 8106 traditional cover is to be used, be certain that the long end of the guide is positioned to face upward toward the top rod. Slide the rod onto the guide rib and push it all the way to the end of the rib. Place the bottom rod so that the hole in the rod engages the link. Slide the bottom rod onto the guide rib and push the assembled link to the center of the guide. The guide assembly should be mounted so that the hole in the extension rod is concealed by the cover when the bolt is in the retracted, unlocked position. Proper alignment of the guide is essential for smooth operation.